Welcome back. So as per our plan today, we will go to the dealership to buy a new car. Let's take the Ferrari for now. After many days driving it, let's do the cold start. A little bit of warming. I think very soon I need to do some changes in this garage. Not only this garage, but many other garages. Because I get to know a total of 5 cars at the dealership. And from 5 of them, I am going to buy at least one car. So let's see where we need to make changes. I notice now that my brake caliper fits well. Looks good. Now turn again white. Get distracted. By the way, right now I am going to my luxury car. Because today I have decided to buy a Bentley Flying Spur. So it's a luxury segment. And taking a delivery of a luxury car dock, we should also take a luxury car to deliver. I know it does not make any sense. So let's take out one from the garage. Which one should I take? Let's take the Rolls Royce. The supreme of the luxury segment. Let's do the cold start. Driving this also after a long time. I have so many cars that if I drive one car a day, then it will repeat after 3 months. I have at least 70 to 80 cars. Many of the cars I didn't drive yet. I just drove it for that day, which day I am buying it done, and then parked it in the garage. I have a lot of cars, but I drive only 15 to 20 cars. And as I told you, my most driven car is MCS. I drive that car more than 3,000 kilometers. Talking with you about cars, I just forgot that where we are going. Very soon we will reach the dealership. Here we go. Finally reached the dealership. Wait, is that a Terzo? Very soon we will be playing for this. But today we came for this one. So big it is. I think the biggest in the collection. Interior is basic, but feels premium. Let's take the delivery of the car. We will drive it to the garage. The car looks good, but the color is not our type. But that's not a problem. Tomorrow we will take it to the garage for customization. Drivability is stable. And braking is good. But the turning radius is not so much. But that's fine. Give me some suggestions. What color should I do? I am thinking of greenish or bluish dark color. I am planning to change the color of my BMW 7 Series. So if I do this car green color, then BMW will be blue. Tomorrow we will think about that dog, and if you have any suggestions, then let me know. Finally we reached. Without hitting anywhere. Very soon one car will be removed from here. The parking of this car. Let you guess which car I am removing from here. I give you a small hint. Like, share, comment, subscribe.